Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, and Stepford UFC. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 9 terminates here. Platform 10 for the 0909 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. The train now standing at Platform 5 is the 0918 Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. Platform 11 for the 0912 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Victoria. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 3 terminates here. This train is the service from Lynn by the Sea. The train now approaching Platform 5 terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford UFC. The train now standing at Platform 4 is the 0921 Stepford Connect service to Berrily. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, New Harrow, Ellesmere Pond, Ellesmere Junction, and Berrily. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 8 terminates here. The train now standing at Platform 7 is the 0923 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The train now standing at platform 4 is the 12:16 Stepford Connect service to Morganstown. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, East Berrily, Bewley Park and Morganstown. Due to a short platform, passengers for East Berrily should travel in the front 4 coaches. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Your attention, please. The 12:27 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central has been cancelled. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton and Port Benton. The train now standing at platform 1 is the 12:21 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea via Benton. Platform 11 for the 12:17 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now standing at platform 13 is the 12:24 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at Stepford East, Ellesmere Junction, Morganstown, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 6 coaches. First class is located at the middle of the train. The 12:06 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 10 for the 12:20 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead.